Hello and welcome back to Bunnex Investment Group. Today we are going to be talking about the top 3 pairs that I'll be looking at this week. But before we jump into the whole video, please check out our free signals Telegram channel. The link is right below. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button and check the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. So the first pair that I'll be looking at is Euro-AUD. As I always say, it's not proper for someone to force your template in each and every pair, but to look for those that are actually playing out the way you expect them. So Euro-AUD has been playing out the way I expect it to play, and I'll be looking to go long or to buy when all the parameters that I'm looking for have been satisfied. So how am I going to reach that verdict? The first thing that I saw on this pair is, as you can see from this bottom part, we had a sharp rise, right? Then we had the first consolidation. After that, we had another rise, then followed by a consolidation. From there, we can see that we had 3 clear impulses from this point to this point. And this was actually an entry point that I actually entered a short and I exited at 61.8 retracement level on the Fibonacci 2. So after having that drop, we had another peak. This peak is also called the peak reset. So this is where the next cycle initiated. So from this cycle, from this initiation, we can see that we have been issued the first rise, right? This is the consolidation. I'm only marking the consolidation. The first rise. Then, as you can see, we have consolidation here. And I'm expecting to see the last rise going up, right? After having this rise, I would know that we have been issued 3 levels or 3 impulses going up, and I'll be looking to enter short. But the major trade that I'll be looking to enter will be a trade that will come in this zone, going long. It is a trade that I'll be looking to enter in this zone so as to enter a 3 cycle going up. I hope that is clear. Then another pair that I'll be looking at this week is gold. Gold is actually one of those difficult assets, but I'll be actually looking to enter a buy. Why? As you can see, gold actually made a bottom part in the past week, and after that we had a sharp rise, right? After that sharp rise, there was a small consolidation and a long consolidation, meaning that this cycle is now complete. From there, they actually issued a drop to this point. So beginning of the week, if I see a retest of this zone, I would be interested in going long on gold so as to satisfy the move that I see on the daily time frame. So as to satisfy this move on the daily time frame, which is actually going to the demand at this point. So this will become my first impulse, my second impulse, and I'll be looking to reach this zone and look for sell opportunities. So what are we saying here? I'm looking to enter a buy from this region that I've marked on the lower time frame, then enter a sell on this region that I've marked on the higher time frame. Then the other pair that I'll be looking to enter this week is odd against CAD. Since we have actually seen that on euro against odd, we are expecting to see the price going up. In that scenario, we are saying the euro will be strengthening, whereas the Australian dollar will be losing value. That's the simplest correlation that we can talk of. So on Australian dollar against CAD, I'm expecting to see a continuation of the downtrend. Why? If you can see on the daily time frame, which is this one, we had an impulse up, a small consolidation, another impulse up, consolidation plus a pullback, then the last impulse. This shows us that on the daily time frame, let me actually mark it so that it will be clear. On the daily time frame, this pair has completed its cycle, right? Then this is all consolidation. So as you can see, this is the first impulse rise, the second, and then the third, then a multi-month M, which had a stop hand high. From this point, we can see that we have been issued a drop, and after that drop, there was a retest of the same region, which actually shows us continuation of the trend. So from the lower time frame, which is H1 time frame, where I will be looking to get my entries, I expect to see a drop, and a retest of a region. From this point, this is the point that I've marked on the daily time frame, and I'll be expecting to enter a retest of either this zone or retest of this zone. These will be my two points that I'll be looking to enter. So these are the three pairs that I'll be looking at, alongside more that I will be sharing on the VIP channel. So as I always say, that you should be reactive rather than predictive within this business. Why? We have to wait for the market to come to us. We have to wait for the confluence that we are looking for us to take a trade. So you may as well look out for these pairs and add to your own portfolio. On that note, come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.